Hey, what is up, beautiful people? Hopefully you're having a great day. Hopefully you didn't lose too much money watching Devin lose to Vitaly. And our guy Eli signed off. Oh my God. Luka's just too strong. At the end of the day, though, we can get, we still have arm wrestling. We can still get stronger and just enjoy our lives. Anyways, I bought this van and I just want to keep you updated on my construction life. Today I'll be with my partner. I'm going to be buying some fence materials. So yeah, let's get rolling. Alrighty. I'm just gonna clean this out, load her up, and then tomorrow we'll work. Hey man, slow and steady, and we will win it all. Know what I'm saying? Ah! What's up, Mr. High? This is my business partner, gang. The load is secured. Still gotta get the concrete and the fence panels. Okay, I did that. Làm cho chúng mình. Alrighty, so the van is loaded. I still need like 20 more bags of concrete and like a few other materials, some metal. These clients, oh my God, they're so nice. They're so chill and they already paid me. And I'm not sure if I could film, so I'm gonna have to keep my like building this stuff private because, privacy and such, respect. But I'm building a fence and I'm building a 7-foot swinging metal gate for them. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming by and seeing what I do from my day-to-day. Gotta support myself, pay the bills. In terms of this channel, man, this is still an arm wrestling channel, bro. I'll hit some of these curls. But in terms of moving forward and like direction of this channel, I think, I'll try to post more. And what do I mean by that? I really want to go out to the beach and get some content like that. Like, it's time I arm wrestle some civilians. And yeah, all that good stuff. This is 121 pounds, 55 kg. Good stuff like that. Anyways, I pulled yesterday. I will be pulling again tomorrow on Thursday. But yeah, I mean, you know, I'm getting older. I'm 27. I'm balancing, you know, my career and the love of arm wrestling. If there's time, then there's always gonna be enough time, you know, to post stuff. It's just, do I have enough energy? You know what I'm saying? Anyways, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it.